A man appeared in court today accused of killing PC Keith Blakelock during the riots in Tottenham. The accused, Nicholas Jacobs, was 16 when PC Blakelock was stabbed to death at Broadwater Farm nearly 3 decades ago. The charge comes after an extensive re-investigation into the case by Scotland Yard, as Ruth Banks reports.
Not only was he killed in the line of duty, but PC Keith Blakelock was murdered in the most horrific way, stabbed dozens of times during a riot in North London. The unrest broke out on the Broadwater Farm estate in Tottenham in October 1985, sparked by the death of a woman called Cynthia Jarrett, who collapsed and died while police raided her home. Fires raged, rioters clashed with police, and Keith Blakelock became the first officer to die in a riot since 1833. The Broadwater Farm estate has since changed dramatically thanks to a multi-million-pound redevelopment programme. But it was here that nearly 28 years ago, PC Blakelock was attacked. The fire brigade were tackling a blaze in the building behind me, and the police were there to protect them. But when PC Blakelock got separated from his colleagues, he was set upon and stabbed repeatedly. Today, the man accused of killing him arrived at Westminster Magistrates Court. Now 44, Nicholas Jacobs was only 16 at the time of Blakelock's death. Dressed in a grey tracksuit, he spoke only to confirm his identity and was remanded in custody to appear at the Old Bailey on Friday. But this isn't the first time the case has reached the courts. In 1987, 3 men were convicted of PC Blakelock's murder 2 years after his death, but those were later quashed on appeal. The Metropolitan Police reopened the case 10 years ago, saying they had new lines of inquiry, leading to the arrest and charge of Nicholas Jacobs. Throughout the years, his colleagues have gathered to honour his memory at a memorial in Muswell Hill. And for nearly 3 decades, his family has been waiting for justice. They say they've never given up hope of achieving it. Ruth Banks, ITV News.